They are very friendly and provide free drinks and water. The staff are very attentive. If you want a boat tour, do it here. I don't know if it's an advantage, but there are no Koreans on board and they don't restrict guests no matter what they do. So there are some safety issues. Snorkel on the first island. It's much more beautiful than the second island. They give you small cans of beer. The ice cream is delicious. Except for durian, the bathroom is clean and comfortable. You board barefoot. They give you towels, so you don't have to prepare anything in particular. The pickup service is also on time. It was 5:30 p.m. when I got back. The sunlight was strong, so 2 of my party got sunburned. Bring a sunblock. If you get bored, there's more content. Awesome staff and crew. They are friendly and super helpful. They took great care of us. The buffet was good. All 3 islands are worth a visit. Kudos to the captain and the head guide who made sure of our safety throughout the trip. 1. The pickup service time is thorough and nice. 2. The hopping boat is clean and tidy. I don't know if it's always like that, but it seems like 3 generations always go together. 3. The staff's friendliness is also good. They are friendly from the first contact to the last. The recorded broadcast is in Korean. I don't know if this is because there are many Koreans on our boat, but anyway, it came out well with accurate wording. 4. The course is 3 islands. A deck with a net on the floor while moving? And you can go back and forth on the second floor as you want. Tables and chairs are assigned. For eating, leaving luggage, etc., the movement is a bit long, but it's understandable because you have to go at a reasonable speed. The visuals of the islands feel a bit repetitive, but on the first island, you can snorkel, go back and forth between islands, and slide on the boat. On the second island, you can play on the first island plus fish. One Korean group grilled and ate the fish they caught. I think the grilling service was paid. The third island is for monkeys. The food that I'll talk about later is the scraps. Kiuk they take it all and share it with the monkeys. They just climb on people's shoulders. They don't bite. But according to the staff, if you touch or stimulate them, they will bite or scratch you. Kiuk when they come close, stay still. 5. Water, coffee, soda, etc. provided for free. Chicken drumsticks, pork, fruits, Thai food, etc. are served for food. Spices Koreans who don't like it, if you eat only the chicken wings and fruits mentioned above, it's perfect. 6. When returning